The Microsoft Surface Duo was a critical disappointment in terms of its software experience, but many reviewers praised the foldable device's thin form factor. Unfortunately, it looks like this slim design may have come at a price. The slim design has an unbearable defect which I will tell you in detail, but if you are new here and want to stay up to date about the latest tech reviews and news, please hit the subscribe followed by the bell. Several Redditors and Twitter users have reported that the plastic surrounding the Surface Duo's USB-C port is breaking. Some users noted that the break occurred when simply plugging in their USB-C cable or using the phone while it's plugged in. In fact, one Twitter user claimed that the plastic simply broke when they put the Surface Duo in their pocket. Check out the tweet. It's not hard to see why this is happening when you actually look at how thin the plastic is. It's also concerning that this thin area around the USB-C port is made of plastic in the first place, rather than a stronger material. One workaround touted by a Redditor was to attach a magnetic charging adapter to the Surface Duo's USB-C port, theoretically reducing the amount of stress on the port when attaching and detaching a cable. Nevertheless, workarounds like this shouldn't be necessary at all, especially when the device costs $1,400. This saga also perhaps serves as more proof that Microsoft went too far in its pursuit of thinness. Between the average battery capacity, the lack of NFC, the lack of a multi-camera setup, and no wireless charging, it's clear that the company may have sacrificed a lot in the name of design. Let me know your thoughts in the description box below, and I will see you in the next video.